CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4 Given a scenario, use Microsoft Windows operating system features and tools. Resource Monitor. Resource Monitor is a Microsoft Windows utility that is used to view detailed, real-time information about how system resources are being used. It provides insight into CPU, memory, disk, and network activity at a more granular level than other tools. This allows technicians to see exactly which processes are consuming resources and how they are interacting with the system. To better understand how Resource Monitor works in practice, it helps to first understand how the data is organized. The tool is divided into 4 main sections: CPU, memory, disk, and network. Each section displays real-time activity along with a list of processes and their resource usage. For example, the CPU tab shows which processes are actively using processor time, while the memory tab displays how RAM is allocated and whether the system is under memory pressure. At this point, it's important to distinguish Resource Monitor from Performance Monitor. While both tools deal with system performance, they serve different purposes. Resource Monitor focuses on real-time, process-level activity, allowing you to see exactly which applications are using system resources at that moment. In contrast, Performance Monitor is more focused on long-term tracking and data collection, using counters and logs to analyze trends over time. In simpler terms, Resource Monitor answers the question, "What is happening right now?" while Performance Monitor helps answer what has been happening over time. Now that you understand how Resource Monitor is used, let's look at how to access it. To open Resource Monitor using the Windows Run dialog box, press the Windows key plus the letter R. Once the Run dialog box opens, type resmon.exe and click OK. This command launches Resource Monitor, where you can begin analyzing system activity in real time. After opening Resource Monitor, the next step is knowing where to focus your attention. Depending on the issue, you will examine the relevant tab. For example, if a system is running slowly, check the CPU and memory tabs. If files are taking a long time to open or save, review the Disk tab. If there are connectivity or bandwidth concerns, the Network tab will provide useful insights. Finally, it's important to understand why Resource Monitor matters in an IT environment. It allows technicians to identify exactly which processes are using system resources and how they are impacting performance. This makes it an essential tool for troubleshooting performance issues, diagnosing resource contention, and analyzing real-time system behavior. For the exam, remember that Resource Monitor is used to view detailed, real-time resource usage by process, making it especially useful for identifying which applications are causing performance issues. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.